So we've looked at our actual group, but then you might want to just look at an individual student to see how they've done, if they perhaps didn't do very well in the exam, like that candidate we looked at earlier. You can put in any of those fields that we saw earlier, often the surname, date of birth perhaps as well, if there's more than one of that name. There we are. And so we can pick our student, and there's mathematics. And again, the analysis will be exactly the same as what we saw before. For that individual student, they sat the November 19, which was a former live exam. There is a way you can set up target grade, an estimated grade, but it won't give you a gradometer, unlike if it was a public exam, because this candidate was not part of that cohort. They sat the same paper, and so you can look at the grade boundaries and you can report a grade informally to the parents or the student and say, but this is the grade you would have got if you'd have been sitting in the hall in November 19, and comparing you with the average ability of that cohort. I mean, that's how the residuals came up, but this doesn't award a grade. Obviously, you'll see on this slide here that we have a grade 3. This one missed out on a 4, and it's got the same level of detail on the highlight report, but what you have at the top there is a gradometer, which actually does give the grade because that student really did sit the exam. But Pearson will be looking at how to do estimated grades and indicative grades, and there'll be some guidance on that coming. Thanks for your attention. I hope you found it useful. See the Pearson Results Plus web pages for further advice and user guides.